Hey everybody, so I wanted to show you an easy beetroot juicing recipe that I found. It's one of my favorites. This is basically what I call the best pre-workout drink I've ever had. I love it. So I'm going to go through the ingredients and I'm going to go ahead and juice it and show you what it turns out to look like. And I think it tastes great and the benefits are just amazing. So stay tuned. All right, so the first thing that we have are our beets. And these things, they run about 78 cents a pound or so at your local grocery store. Um, I prefer to juice as opposed to buying the juice because the juice is a little bit more expensive. But if you find that just purchasing it outright is easier for you, hey, have at it. I just do this just to save money, and plus I just think it's healthier because I know what I'm putting in my body. So anyway, for this recipe, all you'll need is about 3 or 4 small to medium-sized beets if you have the humongous kind, because they do sell some really large ones sometimes, depending on time of season. Then those you might get away with just 2 of them and just slice them up so you can fit them into your juicer. As far as the taste goes, I think they taste great. The only thing is that you might want to wash off the peeling as much as possible, or even just peel it itself, peel it outright, just cut it off. It has a very earthy taste to it. So if you're like me and you're kind of like, don't really care too much about things that taste sweet, I don't have much of a sweet tooth, then this taste is going to be just fine for you. Otherwise, then go ahead and peel it and scrub it off, and you'll just get a beet taste. If you've ever had beets as a kid growing up, then it's pretty much the taste that you're going to get from the juice. I also have here a piece of ginger root, which at this time it's somewhere between winter and spring, and we've been having a lot of people that I know have been catching the flu. I've been trying to ward off the flu by taking as many immune boosting juices, foods, anything that I can get that I know helps boost your immune system. Ginger is great for that. It helps to ward off colds. It helps to shorten the length of colds as well. That's why a lot of your teas and stuff like that will have ginger root in it, or ginger essence in it, basically. So that's why I'm including this. Plus, I like the taste of ginger. It adds a little kick to it. Another thing that I'm adding is 1 lemon. You can cut this down to a half or a full lemon like I like to do. I peel it because I don't like that extra zesty taste to it whenever you have the peel and you're juicing. Same thing goes with like oranges and stuff like that. Take the peel off, you'll get a much sweeter taste. So that's why I like doing that. Then finally, I got a couple apples here. I love apple juice, who doesn't? And it tastes great. So it rounds off the taste, adds some filler to it. So it's going to be a pretty healthy sized drink once I'm done juicing it. But basically, these are the ingredients, and it's really easy to do. Like I said, if you want to juice it, this is the route that I would go. You also have a couple of other recipes that you can look for online. I'm sure there's lots of them actually. Or you can just go buy the juice outright. Either way, this is a great pre-workout drink. Drink it about an hour or so before your workout, or an hour or so before you go for a run. You'll definitely feel the benefits, and they'll even be lingering well after your workout. For me, this lasts a good 24, maybe even up to 3 days, depending on how much of the stuff I drink. What it does is it infuses your blood with oxygen because of the nitrates that are in the beets. Nitric oxide is what's produced by your body because of those nitrates, and that packs your blood with oxygen, so your body doesn't have to work as hard to get oxygen where it needs to go. So that helps you think clearer. It helps you whenever you're exerting energy on a physical level. You don't have to pump as much blood through your body, so you don't get as tired as quickly. So the benefits are great. So I've already done a video on that, so go ahead and check that one out if you want to learn more about the benefits of beetroot juice. So for now, I'm going to go ahead and juice this, and I'll enjoy it, and thanks for watching. If you find value in this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. I love making content like this and helping to educate people on how to live a happier and healthier life. So please join me on this journey, and I'll see you next time.